Wow, look at us. We're all here together to watch the last episode of Angry Birds Summer Madness, which just happens to be which is also the last reaction for this year. Well, the last Christmas reaction for this year. That's right, yeah. Bluebell, thank you for coming back once again. Of course. I'm always with you, no matter where you go. Yep, that's right. Everyone, I'm Bluebell once again, and we've got almost everyone here today. Cobalt, Victor, Paige, Autumn, Adam, Charlotte, Ronald, Summer, Purdy, Peanut, Blossom, Raisin, Iris, Noodle, Pumpkin, Ava, Phoebe the porcupine, Rodney the rat, and my dear good friend, Martha the mouse. Yes, that's right. And here we all are for the last Christmas reaction of the year, as well as the last episode of Angry Birds Summer Madness. And the last episode is Pigmas. Oh, I get it. It's a Christmas episode, but with pigs. All right. Now, let's go. Oh, wow. It's snowing? Cool. I didn't know it could snow in summer. Wow. They're singing Jingle Bells with the word oink replacing the actual words.
It's that time of year known as Pigmas Eve, when he flies through the sky making sure that we adorned our abodes with baubles and lights to deliver our presents all through the night.
Well, you know Christmas isn't about just presents.
Piglets, who looks for Pigmas decorations and brings us presents tonight?
What?
That's right, Santa Pig.
Oh.
Who wants to wallow in some warm cocoa?
Oh, wallowing in cocoa, not mud? Huh? Oh, it's not real snow. Ugh. And of course, there's not a speck of snow to be found at Camp Splinterwood. Oh boy.
You're snoring.
Oh man, again.
Utter darkness, deafening noise. This is it. This is the...
What is going on? You've got a sleep mask on,
No,
dummy.
false alarm. Thanks, Bob.
Henley's nailing his socks to the wall.
Oh.
Henley? Henley? What's... Henley, you okay?
Henley?
What is
He's got a
going
ball on his back. Henley! Slow down!
Morning, Cheeps. What's up?
Ugh.
Turns out Henley's completely lost his marbles.
No. At least I don't think he has. Of course he hasn't. He's just excited for Christmas.
Hey, hey. Ow!
Oh! Oh my.
Time out. Henley, dude. What's going on?
Oh.
It's a book about Pigmas?
What's a Pigmas?
It's a holiday for pigs, it looks like.
It's a pig holiday where you hang up a bunch of lights and glitter and stuff to entice someone named Santa Pig to fly down in a sleigh on Pigmas Eve and give you presents.
Like Christmas. See, the pig camp's doing it.
Look at Pig Camp. You can't miss it.
Nope.
They've even got sound effects.
Look, Henley, I know you want this Santa to bring you a present, but if he's flying around at 10,000 feet, he's never gonna see this.
Oh, that's right. Oh.
Henley, some people might say you completely wasted your time.
Chuck! You idiot! Oh, ew!
Hey, Penley.
Chuck is so insensitive.
Leave your disgusting sock on the wall.
Ew!
Well, the only way we could do that is if we decorate the
That's true.
That's exactly what we're gonna do.
Decorated for
Santa
Pigmas or
flies over to go
Christmas.
to pig camp. He'll see what we've done.
Please
and
don't let us see
appear
Evil
first.
Neater Flyer and Evil Lynette.
Well,
I hate to break it
that's
to you,
great
but
and
if this is the
all,
last
but
episode, there's no
tonight's
guarantee.
Christmas Eve.
There's a guarantee
There's
we'll
not
see
enough
both
time.
of them,
Not
and they'll
with
both
that
do
attitude.
evil
We'll just
things.
work our tail feathers off and
Ah.
get it done for Penny.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Goodness.
Susie Pigmas!
It's Merry Pigmas.
No, it's Mary.
There we go.
Oh yeah,
Merry Pigmas.
How's it going?
Not good.
What's the problem?
We don't have Pigmas decorations, so we're just kind of putting glitter on stuff.
That's glitter
Oh, have to
glue.
do. We're gonna need them on every tree and trash can if Santa Pig's gonna notice us.
What? What's that smell? What's
Hey, do you smell
burning?
something burning?
Chuck!
Chuck, what are you doing? I'm lighting the Pigmas tree.
No, not light it on fire! Light with the lights, you imbecile!
Well, can't let a good fire go to waste.
Don't worry,
You
Cheeps.
dummy!
I got this.
Oh, Stella? Oh, yeah, there we go. See, this girl's got more brains than Bomb and Chuck put together. Iris, be polite. Whoa! Ooh, ow! Whoops.
Or not.
Santa Pig's never gonna show up if we don't get this done by tonight.
What is the meaning of this? Take down
Oh,
the
no.
decorations.
I knew they'd be.
And Harold, be a dear and put Chuck out, will you? He seems to be on fire.
Oh, yes, dear.
Ugh.
Thank you. But we need them, so Santa Pig will come
Yeah!
We want a magical pig to come here.
to deliver presents for Penley.
Yeah! Exactly. Oh no. I know an evil look when I see one in
I
Lynette's.
forgot we had a pig at camp. Of course we should decorate. Harold,
If I know one thing about Lynette, she'll do anything for you know, money.
Whoa, did Lynette just agree to help?
I read about this in Penley's book. It's one of those Pigmas miracle things.
Christmas. And I don't think Lynette's doing it for the camp.
Darling, shouldn't you be working on a present list for Santa Pig?
Oh no.
Run along then. Write your list and make sure it's a healthy one.
Yeah, healthy for you, you wicked witch.
Aim. Decorate.
What are they decorating with? What's that white stuff? It looks like some kind of mashed potatoes? It looks like mashed potatoes to me. Oh! Actually, that's vanilla pudding. Ugh. Vanilla pudding. I'm more of a chocolate pudding kind of rat. I prefer chocolate pudding. We know, Rodney.
It looks
You prefer
fabulous.
chocolate
Why is
anything.
it yellow, though?
It's vanilla pudding.
Well,
I knew it!
let's hope Chuck doesn't eat it all before Santa comes. And they say never eat yellow snow.
Ew! Well, they say that for a reason. Oh! We have to come here with him!
Buddy.
Heard
Put
you're
away
right,
your
Mr.
rage!
Mind if I take a look?
Away with...
Cowboy hat. Ugh, penguin plushie. Yeah, no. How about we shoot for some non-lame presents, huh?
Ah!
The
You
arcade
can't!
set, couple of
He's
hoverboards,
writing presents for
rubber
himself!
jacket, and
Greedy
monogrammed towels with a
dirtbag!
Peter flyer on them. Just what you always wanted, right?
No.
Penley, come look. You're gonna be really surprised.
Ew!
Ugh.
Gross.
No peeking.
No peeking.
Ow, Mom, your knee is poking my spleen.
Ugh. Whoa!
Merry Pigmas, Penley.
Wow! It's a Pigmas Wonderland, even though everything's covered with pudding. Whoa! Look at that! Ugh. I admit it doesn't look bad.
Santa Pig's gonna notice? Great.
Oh!
So, now we wait. Oh, no one said anything about waiting.
Well, Christmas or Pigmas only comes but once a year.
You think he's coming? He'd better. Because I'm not
Ugh.
off for nothing. those presents.
We're doing this for Penley.
Well, that's selfish. Why can't
No,
you
it's not selfish. You're the selfish one.
Hey, listen, is that Dingle Balls?
You
It's
know, I
Jingle
think you're
Bells.
There he is.
Santa! Wow! Look at that!
Do you think he saw us?
Yep, he saw. Nope, he didn't. Yes, he did. He's turning around. Look at that. Why I have a feeling that something's going to go horribly wrong.
He saw me. Look at the size of that sack. Come to Papa.
Ugh. Oh my gosh! No! I know this is Lynette's doing. I know it! That evil witch.
Bad, right? Is that bad? That looked bad.
Yes, it's bad!
Down near the dojo. Come on.
Oh.
Oh no. Santa's sleigh.
Oh
Where's Santa Pig? Ho, ho, how dare you?
no. Huh?
Machine, how could you do this?
Oh, it was easy. I shut you down, and now I'm taking your presents to sell online for cash. It's
Ugh, you wicked, evil, money-grubbing witch!
do have a Martha Pigmas.
It's MERRY Pigmas, and it's ho-ho.
Oh my, no! A laser web? Really? You evil monster! Money-grubbing witch! She is so selfish! Greedy monster!
Definitely on the naughty list.
Oh, this is all our fault. If we hadn't lured Santa Pig down here, he'd be delivering presents to the pigs right now.
How dare she hijack the presents I tried to hijack?
We can still save Pigmas for everyone. You guys free Santa. Mom and I will go get the presents.
Oh, good! Because that evil Grinch will never get away with this! Why isn't your flyer helping? You know he's doing this just for himself. We all know that. In fact, it's been established throughout the entire series that he wants everything for himself. We know, Paige.
Cashmere. Mama needs a new big job. Who wants a set of monogram towels? She.
My towels. We've got to stop her.
Monster. Oh, please hurry.
We're here to rescue you.
But get through the web.
Be careful, children. These laser beams are alarmed.
Their alarm? I'm the one who's about to do something stupidly dangerous and totally idiotic.
Oh, no. What the... Ah! Ow, I bet that hurt. That made my beak hurt just looking at it. Be careful, Chuck. What do you... Is that Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy? Unbelievable. Ah! I can't believe he's actually succeeding. Oh, my word. Wow.
6 years of ballet boot camp. You're welcome.
Ah! You had to take a bow, didn't you, Chuck? Hurry! Free him!
Come on, Santa Pig. This way.
Ah! Uh-oh. Oh, what's that? The pudding cannon? And it's automated? Oh, no. My least favorite pudding flavor being fired at my friends. Our friends. Right, of course. Our friends. Easy, Rodney. Looking at it makes me want to vomit. I remember one time I ate too much of that stuff. It made me sick for a month. Okay, that's not true.